everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable text SMS notifications on your Facebook mobile app for iOS or Android devices. So if you want to turn off notifications, like for example for comment notifications, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the Facebook mobile app and select your profile icon in the top right. And you want to select Settings and Privacy to expand the drop-down menu. Then you want to select Settings. Underneath Preferences, select Notifications. And then scrolling all the way to the bottom where it says where you receive notifications, select SMS. And then you can go ahead and enter in your phone number in here. So if you already have one set up, there'd be an option to toggle that off. And that's all you'd have to do. Again, you have to have some sort of verification or notification. So you could turn that off, but you can see that there will be other options in here to receive notifications. So pretty straightforward process. If you want to be more specific, like on particularly like comments, for example, you can go and select whatever type of notification. So if you select the comments, for example, you could toggle off SMS notifications for that. And you can do that for basically all the different types of notifications that you see on my screen. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.